Good morning, guys. Today we are talking about reading skills, extensive reading and intensive reading, scanning and skimming. The difference between extensive reading and intensive reading. Extensive reading is long text and books. However, intensive reading is a short texts. Extensive reading helps students to develop reading fluency and intensive reading helps students to develop reading skills, vocabulary, and grammar knowledge. Extensive reading is a general understanding, and intensive reading is detailed meaning from the text. Extensive reading is what is being read, however, intensive reading is linguistics component. The purpose of the scanning is to identify the topic reading, to find out people's opinion, to get important things we need without read the whole text, and to refresh what we've read. How to scan. State the specific information you are looking for. Try to anticipate the answer. For example, if you are looking for a certain day, you should quickly read the paragraph looking only for numbers. Use headlines to find the information you are looking for. Selectively read and skip through section of the passage. Also, skimming is the technique you use when you are going through a newspaper or magazine. You read quickly to get the main point and skip over the details. It is useful to skim, to preview a passage before you read it in detail, to refresh your understanding of a passage after you've read it in detail. Use skimming when you are trying to decide if a book in the library or bookshop is right for you. And also, don't forget to select a good place to read. It will depend how much you will learn. It has to be a place when you feel comfortable and a quiet place. Don't forget also to read at least 30 minutes per day because that will help you to increase your vocabulary skills, your linguistic skills, and also you will develop a lot. Thank you so much, and I will see you tomorrow.